Imagine a world where your home doesn't just shelter you, but understands you. Where security isn't about loud alarms and glaring lights, but a quiet, constant hum of reassurance. This isn't a far-off fantasy. This is the home of 2025. The neighborhood is silent, wrapped in the gentle rhythm of rain tapping against smart glass windows. Inside, the home glows in soft hues of blue and gold. This isn't just decoration. It's the quiet pulse of technology, breathing life into a calm, elegant design. Alex stands by the entryway, watching a notification fade across their phone screen. All zones secure, system in night mode. There's no drama, no flashing lights, just the subtle, invisible confidence that every door, every sensor, every piece of data is exactly where it should be. This is what true security feels like. The story of this home begins with a single idea: protection that feels natural. The journey started with the front door. What was once a simple latch of metal and habit is now a silent sentinel, made of brushed steel. Its soft lead ring pulses faintly as Alex approaches. The door recognizes them before they even reach for it, thanks to facial recognition powered by encrypted local processing. In under a second, it scans their features. A subtle click, like a heartbeat, follows. "Welcome home, Alex." A calm voice whispers as Alex steps inside. Soft light raises automatically. Hallway lamps fade in, guided by motion sensors that have learned the rhythm of returning footsteps. The entire security system disarms itself, shifting from a vigilant stance into a restful idle. The cameras, which were alert just moments ago, relax. Their motion zones dim, and the house itself seems to exhale a quiet sigh of relief. This is the result of months of careful planning and integration. Alex built a home that doesn't just react, but understands. It all started with the cameras. These aren't your typical security cameras. They're driven by advanced AI that doesn't just see, it analyzes. These cameras know the difference between a wandering raccoon and a person pausing by the fence. The AI tracks movement with human-like focus but machine precision, storing encrypted clips that can be recalled in seconds. No more endless scrolling through hours of footage. No more guessing games. And yet, for all its power, the system isn't invasive. Every lens, every sensor, operates within a delicate balance. Security without surveillance. The faces of known family members are encrypted locally. They never touch the cloud. Guests are logged only for the duration of their visit. The system remembers patterns, not people. It respects privacy as its core principle. Outside, the soft hum of an automated floodlight is barely audible. It turns its head slightly, adjusting its field of view as the wind rustles the trees. The light flares briefly on a moving branch, then dims again. The system learned that specific movement pattern weeks ago. False alarms are a thing of the past. Now, there is only clarity. Alex walks past the living room, where a sleek wall display shows the security overview. It's elegant, simpler, living map of awareness. T-Soul, Eason, T. A fortress. It's an ecosystem. Every device whispers to another, each playing its role in a symphony of protection. The windows are fitted with vibration sensors so precise they can detect a light knock versus a strong gust of wind. The motion detectors can distinguish between a pet scurrying across the floor and an unfamiliar human gait. But the real magic is that the AI doesn't just detect, it predicts. If the system notices unusual patterns, like doors opening at odd hours or unexpected power surges, it doesn't panic. It adapts. Quietly and automatically, the home might reconfigure a sensor's sensitivity, adjust lighting schedules, or even lock unused entries without a single prompt. It's always one step ahead. At the heart of this entire ecosystem is data integrity. Every command, every frame of footage, every sensor ping is encrypted end-to-end within the home's private mesh network. Nothing travels unprotected. Even the smallest devices, like the mailbox sensor and the driveway camera, have unique digital fingerprints. They must verify their identity before they can send or receive any data. This isn't just about being secure. It's about being sovereign. Your home's data belongs to you, and only you. One night, this system was put to the test. The rain grew heavier, a cold drumming on the roof. The streetlights flickered as a powerful wind swept through the neighborhood. Suddenly, a subtle red notification appeared on the corner of the display. Unrecognized movement, side gate. Alex turns to the screen. The image sharpens instantly as the camera pivots with smooth precision, catching a figure lingering near the hedge line. The AI gets to work, analyzing posture, movement, and timing. Within a heartbeat, it classifies the behavior. Suspicious loitering. Immediately, the floodlight snaps on, bathing the area in bright, clear light. The figure startles, stepping back into the shadows. Through the external speaker system, Alex's pre-recorded voice projects calmly but firmly. This property is monitored. You are being recorded. In that same instant, the system elevates its awareness. External lights sync up, interior cameras shift to external view mode, and the AI logs every frame in redundant, encrypted storage. Within seconds, the threat is gone. The figure disappears into the night. But even after the moment passes, the house doesn't simply stand still. The AI reviews the incident data overnight. It adjusts the gate's detection sensitivity, adding new behavioral markers to its predictive model. By morning, the report is simple and concise. Attempted intrusion. System response. Successful. Alex smiles faintly, sipping coffee by the window. Outside, the air is clean and fresh after the storm. The house is quiet not because it has nothing to do, but because it has already done it. Over time, Alex noticed something remarkable. The home had begun to act like a partner. If the system sensed someone returning at an unusual hour, it would gently increase the entryway lighting before they even reached the door. When Alex left for work, the AI would cross-check the last known presence and automatically activate a travel mode, optimizing security for an empty house. Even from miles away, Alex can open the app and see a detailed, real-time visualization of the house's awareness. Cameras rotate with a swipe, doors lock with a single tap, and motion sensors pulse softly like fireflies in standby mode. It's a profound sense of connection, a digital peace of mind. But the real beauty of it all is the silence, the absence of anxiety. No more wondering, did I lock the back door? Or what was that noise outside? The house answers the question before it even fully forms in your mind. One quiet evening at dusk, Alex stands near the window again. The glow of the AI dashboard paints gentle blues across the room. Outside, distant clouds gather, ready for another storm. Home secure, the assistant whispers once more. And in that moment, Alex realizes something profound. Security isn't just about safety. It's about space. The mental space to think about life, not locks. To focus on precious moments, not motion alerts. To feel present, not paranoia. Technology has grown invisible, fading into the rhythm of daily life until it becomes something greater than convenes it. Becomes trust. The camera blinks once, logging a passing car. The lights adjust slightly for the evening. The AI dims its indicators to night mode, giving the room a calm, warm glow. Alex closes their eyes and just listens to the quiet hum of the system, the sound of rain on the roof, and the faint, steady pulse of power beneath the walls. It's a heartbeat, soft and constant, the rhythm of a home that watches, learns, and protects without ever being asked. A home that doesn't just exist in our time but understands the future we all building toward. A future where peace of mind is a feature you can finally, truly trust. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about the future of smart living, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on the technology that is shaping our world. See you next time.